rain just started. So enjoy this reading scene.
Down here to show you where the two rivers are meeting, and here we have a wonderful view. This is one of the rivers coming from that side, and on my left side there is another river. They are coming here, and look at the very milky water here. It's awesome. We just arrived at Takakkaw Falls base. You can see a wonderful view behind myself. So we are standing right now on the base. There is I think so, I did not remember probably, but it's going to be 20 to 25 minute hiking. I will show you the wonderful views on our hiking as well. Stay tuned with me, and as usual my lovely wife is behind the camera, Dia. Thank you, Dia. Just follow me, okay? Some info about the Takakkaw Falls and the surrounding things are. And we have a river flowing here, because the rain just stopped. It's kind of a muddy and milky. And I'm gonna show you the river, what's flowing. Come this way. I'm going towards the horse kicking river. Lot of people going towards the Takakkaw Falls. It's a very good hiking, and I know I was here a couple of years back, and there was a lot of stone and a small bridge will be coming in our way. We'll show you once we get there. Thank you. So river is running along myself on my left side, and also Takakkaw Falls to the top of the hill as well. Very beautiful view, and you guys are gonna be surprised what you're gonna be. Wonderful view of a small bridge as well. Look at the color of the water. It's really milky. Wow. Awesome. On our way towards the Takakkaw Falls. What a natural beauty. Wow.
Fall, river, and bridge.
Kind
Wow,
of
what a
wildness.
combination.
Oh, what a view. It's kind of a dream. It's really kind of a portrait. Oh, what a beautiful view. We're going to cross the beautiful small bridge. On left side, how beautiful that jungle is. Very nice view. You are between the jungle. On your right side, on top of it, is the Takakkaw Falls, and on your right side, a little bit behind, you have a river, Yoho River. What a combination! It's a heaven on earth. Wow. Wow. It's kind of a raining here. Actually, it's not raining by itself when the water is striking the rocks and it's spread all into the atmosphere. Wow. I can feel the water drops in the air. It's just coming on my face. Wow. What a cool view, folks. You must come to here and feel it. Oh wow. It's a kind of raining all over me. Oh. Very so nice. Wow. I'm not sure if droplets are on my camera's lens. So probably it took me like 25 minutes to get here at the base of Takakkaw Falls, because I stopped along the way, so maybe that's a little bit extra time I included, but it's probably a 20-minute journey where you're gonna car park and you're gonna come here. It's gonna take you like 20 minutes at least. Wow. Let me show you. You guys can see Takakkaw Falls behind myself, and how forcefully water is hitting the rocks. Wow! And you know, my camera is all underwater right now. I'm not sure I'm going to save it or not, but it's a droplets everywhere on my camera right now. Wow! What a view! What a view! What an experience! You guys need to feel this. What an experience! Wow! Everything is gathered here. Mountains, waterfall, river, jungle, and ice glacier as well. Wow! You guys need to come here and feel this wonderful experience. Really cool, guys. Really cool. Wow.